I think we're gonna die.
Be more positive, Nick.
All right, we're gonna die quickly.
And that says it all.
Wait! Wow!
Fuck yeah.
Cool!
I see it! Hold on to something. Here! Well, that's it. I'll make sure you're protected from anything that gets in your way.
Well, here I go!
Good luck to both of them. Nick, you may not be the guy I'd pick for my daughter, but you're obviously the guy she'd pick for herself. And she's always been a hell of a lot smarter than me.
Thanks.
Hello, item. All right.
This is incredible. Juliet, you actually made it. Fantastic.
You! How could you do this? To our school! To the people we loved! What?
Juliet!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Look who it is. Mary-Kate and Ashley.
Oh, Juliet. I've been getting so lonely since you've been wasting all my dark purveyors. Poor Louis here is the only one left.
And there's about to be none.
Ah, cocky little whore. I like that.
Bring it on, douchebag. I'm gonna F you up.
I love your passion, babe. Looks like we can make beautiful death together. I've got a feeling when I start playing, you're just gonna die! Rock and roll is here to stay. You're not!
Jerry Lee's suck ass is a real pain. The what's worse than this? Nothing! If I had my hands right now, I'd run away on them in a handstand. Knock that ass. Jerry Lee's suck ass is a real pain. He's off the bike. Now's your chance to finish him.
All right, Chicky. Keep up now. We gonna fly. You ready? Now let's go to the depths of hell! Elephant rock! Sorry to keep you waiting.
Sure, giant robot elephant. Doesn't even faze me anymore. You have got to be fucking kidding me.
Now this is the essence of Elephant Rock. Make sure you don't fall behind here, Doc.
Dude! Black Knight, you have no legs! Stop already!
You hurt my elephant! It's ruined.
We're getting punked, right? When's Ashton Kutcher gonna pop out?
I love you, baby. Nick, shoot! Your turn, you whiny MySpace-haired jerk!
Fantastic work, Juliet. You've done everything just as I hoped you would, start to finish. Thanks for your cooperation. Now the real deal is fulfilled!
What? What are you talking about?
You incredibly hot idiot. I told you, for the gates of hell to open, a ritual must be enacted. And you were part of it all along. I set this whole thing up, you fools! Now the ceremony has been completed. A pawn, you, had to sacrifice 5 pre-selected zombies, and they must utter the sacred words at the point of their deaths. Meus vita rege pro nefario coepto.
Because you're just like everyone else. You pretended to be different, but you're not.
What? Me?
Yes, Juliet, you, bitch. This is the end. The real end to everything. This school, this world, deserves to be destroyed. It rejected me. It ridiculed me. So I'll make this rotten world even more rotten. Rot away. Rot away. Rot. 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 So fuck all of you. Your eternal screams of horror will be my pop music!
It's the zombie of zombies, Killabilly.
Yesterday, I stubbed my toe. I was like, this is the worst day ever. Yeah, not quite.
Well?
Excellent.
Awesome!
Juliet? Can you hear me, Juliet?
Morikawa-sensei! You're alive?
Can you hear me, Juliet? My prized student. It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive?
He just said rest in peace, Juliet.
Maybe he's trying to take a nap, Nick.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can. But the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me? I just heard you. You're right
It was the
there.
wind or something.
Please, both of you. Juliet, you must first get close to Kirabiri. But be careful. He is, shall we say, cranky.
Juliet, watch out! I think you can use the cars to make a path.
Fine!
You did it! You won!
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance, and you're gonna take the time to mock me?
Julie and Nick, it's me again. See that path over there? Follow it to that bastard, Killer Billy.
Our line is special combo number 5 with our child exorcise.
Oh my god, that rocks!
So they never taught you how to fight one of these killabilly things?
Zombies, vampires, Sasquatches.
You killed a Sasquatch?
Sure, tons. Sasquatches are dicks. But this kind of monster, I didn't even know it existed.
Oh, good. Zombies that shoot laser beams out of their eyes. Yeah, I felt like something was missing. What else have you killed?
Leprechauns. I killed a whole tribe of Frankenberries once.
Frankenberry? From like the cereal?
Ugh, that is total propaganda to get you to trust them. Strawberry's my favorite! I don't know if I haven't gotten this far in my training. Go!
There's gotta be a way. We have to think. impossible! He's too strong! Shoot his damn eyes out! This isn't possible! He's too strong! This isn't possible! He's too strong! Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley. Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley. He's too strong!
Did you see the way that dude's head back there splattered all over everything? If I had put you in a mailbox, you would have missed that. pretty cool.
Juliet, can you hear me? Listen carefully as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress. A path will open for you if you move ahead, through his mouth and into his body.
Well, I'm pretty good at keeping guys out of my body. Never tried getting inside of someone else's.
Juliet! Look out!
Go, Juliet, now, before the hole closes.
But my daddy, no!
You must go into Killer Billy's body before the hole your father created closes. His weakness is inside his body.
I can't.
Juliet, listen to me. You have to go now. Your dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.